Hey folks, this is Bill with Dine Drink Travel. I'm here inside the 51st and Green Lounge inside the U.S. pre-clearance area of the Dublin airport, and I want to show you around this space because it's the place where pretty much all business class passengers wait for their flights before a flight out of Dublin departing directly back to the U.S. They have a small workstation area, but what they do a really good job of is having a nice big open space with some pretty good food and beverage options. This room here has actually been busy at several different points during the trip. The traffic here very much ebbs and flows depending on when banks of flights are departing. Also, know that obviously, being in Ireland, you're using the Irish power standard. If you're coming from the US, you're going to want to bring a power converter with you. Now, going back out here into the main seating area, I don't know, like it's been busier at different points during this trip, but it's never been too busy to find a place to sit rather, and you can always get a space for whatever kind of group you happen to have. I was just traveling here with one other member of our party. It was super easy, but there were families. It's not a business class lounge in the sense that you should expect only executives, right? But it is a nicer, quieter place to wait. And I do love being able to see directly out onto the tarmac here and see what all is going on, right? Like you get a sense of the operations of the airport. Also, the bar is pretty good. You are in theory limited to, I think it's 2 drinks here. Let's take a look at the side. Yeah, to 2, although they weren't monitoring that real closely. Obviously, you don't want to get sloshed before your flight anyway. They had fresh poured Guinness. They had a pretty good selection of liquors. So it's been a nice bar. They also, in those coolers down there, have almost any kind of soft drink you want, so your kids can go to town. You can go to town. If you want a mixer for whatever cocktail, it's fine. And they've got some prepackaged sandwiches, so if you want something extra to take on your flight or if you don't have a lot of time, you've got time. The Thai chicken stew and the Thai curry were fine, right? Like it wasn't the most exciting entree I've ever had, but it was certainly enough to keep me fed. They have several other like quick dispensing snack machines. They've got jellies for your toast and all that. So again, don't come in here expecting high-end food, but it's pretty good, right? Like they've got a coffee machine, they've got the chips, they've got the cookies. I'm going to show you the salad bar in just a second, but it's a nice space with good drinks and pretty good things to eat. I mean, it's certainly better than waiting out in the rest of the pre-clearance area where it will obviously have a video of it. Let me take a look through the food bar really quick. Yeah, they had a nice salad bar. You can make cold cuts and all that. So again, this is Bill with Dine Drink Travel. I'm here inside the 51st and Green Lounge in the Dublin airport inside the U.S. pre-clearance area. I hope this video has been helpful to you. We try to bring you short and focused videos to give you the information you need to plan your next trip. Please like and subscribe and leave us any comments because that helps YouTube show our videos to more people. Thanks and happy travels.